Check out this new product we're excited to offer on headlightrevolution.com. Subscribe to our channel and watch other videos for installation, demonstration, comparisons, and reviews of all the highest quality lighting products on the market.
Hi, Phil with Diode Dynamics. We're here in the studio today to showcase an exclusive new product for the 2017 and up Ford Raptor. Our engineering team has used 3D modeling to CAD design a bracket to allow you to mount a light bar or up to 3 work lights and the factory bumper opening on your truck. This mounting solution was designed to utilize stock mounting hardware and locations for a simple and easy installation, and are adjustable to accommodate up to 3 work lights or our 6 or 12-inch light bar. For more information on this product, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.